JEE time. At that time, JEE in playlist, I separately made two videos. One is 40 minutes, one is 10 minutes or 15-20 minutes. Separate two videos for the board's purpose. Separately I prepared it. So I will post today in the group. Even I will add in the playlist for HSC board. So you can prepare them. Now this is the question asked in 2014 again. So the question is, C vector is equal to understand this concept, I will post again that and watch that. So you will understand the complete version, like why we are writing these boxes, all these things. See, C vector is equal to 3A vector minus 2B vector. Find the value of box ABC asked. So what to do here? Box ABC is nothing but what box ABC meaning is what? Box ABC is equal to A vector dot B cross C. Isn't right? Box ABC का मतलब क्या होता है? A vector dot B cross C. This is the meaning of that. A vector cross B cross C. This proof also I explained in JEE. So here A vector cross B cross C is the box ABC. Now can I write A vector dot B cross, in the place of C what I have to write? They given C is what they given? Tell me, C what they given? 3A vector minus 2B vector. This is what they given, right? So now A vector dot, now I will multiply inside, I will do B cross, okay? B I will multiply inside. I explained already, but I am explaining again. B cross 3A, so 3 into, I will get B cross A, 3 into B cross A, B cross A into 3A क्या होगा? B into 3 cross A, 3B cross A minus 2 into B cross B. I already explained you. B cross B क्या होता है? 0. A cross A 0. C cross C 0. So A cross A, already these things I explained, right? J cross J 0. I cross I 0, like that. So B cross B क्या होता है? 0. So what I get here? A dot 3 into B cross A I will get, and this will become 2 into 0. That will be 0, right? Now what I can write here? This is I can write as simply I can write 3 I can take out. So 3A vector I can take out. So 3A vector, okay, dot B cross A I can take out, right? 3A vector dot B cross A, 3 scalar I have taken out. Now this is meaning is what? What is this meaning? इसका meaning क्या है? इसका meaning क्या है? इसका meaning, अरे यार 3 into, इसका meaning क्या है? This is box A B A. Like here A B C, A dot B cross C can be written as box A B C, and you get as box A B A. In box, if two things are identical, then that value is 0. So 3 into 0 is 0. So the answer of this box ABC is 0. Why this is 0? Reason I told you. In determinants, when you see any two rows or any two columns are identical, suppose these are identical, then box will be 0. Likewise, A vector means, suppose A vector is 1 2 3. Again A vector is 1 2 3. B vector is something, but A vector repeating 2 times, na? So it will be identical, so box will be 0. This is the answer for that. So this is, you want to understand more clearly, you need to watch JEE, already playlist available. I have saved it everything. If you want, clearly you want to learn about this, about the box method, about this one, you can just put a message, I will forward the questions. 1 mark में पूछेगा. If ABC are the coplanars, okay, ABC vectors are the coplanars expressed in linear combination, these vectors. So what you will write here? X times of A vector plus Y times of B vector plus Z times of C vector is equal to 0. This is what we called as linear combination of two vectors. Means suppose A, B, C, two vectors are there. What you write here? X times of A vector plus Y times of B vector is equal to 0. Already about these problems I also explained.